Late night POV, man. Cold start. Probably gotta turn this light on. Turn this shit off. Cruising this with the little doors. Yeah, man. Late night POV. Hopefully y'all can see everything for real, like I can see everything. God damn, this car loud as hell, my boy. Car loud as shit. I only got 35 miles. Shit. I can't put the speed on because you know me. I do me. Come on, y'all. What the fuck are we doing, my boy? Damn. Damn. Motherfucker popping. This feel good as hell out here. Day to just be on a good drive. Kind of late. I mean, shit, we could hit downtown, you feel me? Take the car to the dealership tomorrow because my AC not working. They fixed that. It's covered on the warranty, so they gonna fix that, you feel me? This is the good thing about having a warranty, bro. They gonna fix this shit. You know what I'm saying? Good ass warranty too. Not too with it, you feel me? Oh shit, it's thundering right there. It's not nice. That's not nice, brother. Fuck, we're gonna have the windows down. Fuck it. It's a great day. Not have windows down. Great night, you feel? Cruising this with the suicide doors. pretty. I like that. I like the light up at night. Thought that was my homie. It might be raining over there where I'm going. Is this tour behind me? This might be toy behind me, I don't know. See if it is. Don't fucking matter to me, brother. I could just hit the expressway the whole. Let me just go. Let me just hit the expressway. Definitely about the storm. Oh no, I'm going into the storm right now. Fuck. And I got slicks on. Fuck it. Lightning right there, my boys. All that is crazy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let the windows down a little bit though. Holy shit, yeah. Good thing I'm going left right here. Oh, we out. Oh, this Honda is taking that turn. Kinda. I never. Let's do a little pull right here, but no left shift. Shit! Got the window upside now. Can't even fucking hear myself. That's what I'm talking about. I ain't nothing like that fucking wine, bro. That shit is fucking insane. Let's take this exit, you know what I'm saying? Really need to get some gas for real. I can let the windows down now. See, I'm risking my life for this video. Oh shit. raindrops, my boy. Yeah, I need to get to where I'm going. I'm driving the ZL1 in the rain with slicks on. Not a good idea, brother. Oh, it's been raining over here. It's wet over here. Damn. Yeah, I can't even go fast no more. Well, man, if y'all like the video, y'all like the POV videos, y'all wanted me to do more of the late night videos, comment below, like the video. You know what I'm saying? Give me like 50 likes on this video. Oh, it's wet over here. Holy shit. It's busting over here. But yeah, if y'all like these videos, make sure you subscribe to your boy. Oh, I'm sliding. Yeah, let me slow down. I'm sliding. Make sure y'all like the video. Subscribe, and you know what I'm saying. Do all that good stuff. Yeah, I am sliding, brother. I can't even, like, I'm not even going fast. All right, yeah, man. I'm out, man. Peace.